Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question and our given question is x square minus x cube is equals to 2 and we should solve this question for this x. So in order to solve this question, first we should arrange this equation as x square minus x cube minus 2 equal to 0. Now in the next step we should break this minus 2 into minus 1 into minus 1 and other side of the equation equal to 0 and other part of the equation will remain same. Now in the next step we should arrange the equation as x square minus 1 minus x cube minus 1. Both of these minus 1 will be adjusted with both of these variables. Now in the next step we should take common minus from both of these values. As a result we should get x cube plus 1 with the whole minus sign, and x square minus 1 will remain same, equal to 0 will remain same. Now in the next step we should make the square of both of these values x square minus 1. In the same way we should make the cube as x cube plus 1 of both of these values. As we know that a cube plus b cube formula is a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. So here you can see that if this value is cube as a and this value is cube as b, then this value can be opened by these values. And as we know that a square minus b square as a plus b, a minus b. So if this value is a square and this value is b square, then it can be opened by a square minus b square formula. So these values will be opened by a cube plus b cube formula and a square minus b square formula, and this equation can be written as x plus 1 x minus 1 from this formula a square minus b square, and this value can be written as x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 by a cube plus b cube formula. Now in the next step we should take common x plus 1 from entire expression. As a result we should get x plus 1 as a common value and x minus 1 minus x square minus x plus 1 as a remaining or as a remainder value equal to 0. Now in the next step we should open this bracket as plus minus x square will be minus x square, minus minus will be equal to plus x, and minus plus will be equal to minus 1. Now in the next step we should sum up this whole or entire expression as minus x square plus 2x minus 2, and x plus 1 will be remain same. Now in the next step we should take equal to 0 both of bracket. First x plus 1 equal to 0 and the second one is x square minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Because this equation will arrange after equal to taking equal to 0, we should arrange this equation and we should take we should move all three value to the other side of the equation. As a result we should get minus x square will be plus x square plus 2x will be equal to minus 2x and minus 2 will be equal to plus 2. Now we should find the value of x from both of these equation. This x plus 1 will be equal to x is equal to minus 1 because this plus 1 will be go to the other side of the equation and convert into minus 1. And we should open this equation x square minus 2x plus 2 by quadratic formula. As we know that quadratic formula is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So here we replace the quadratic formula by this quadratic equation. Here 1 is a, minus 2 is b and c is plus 2. So we should replace quadratic formula abc from the value from this equation. As a result we should get x is equal to minus into minus 2 plus minus 2 square minus 4 into 1 into 2 over 2 into 1. Now we should sum up these value as minus minus is equal to plus 2 plus minus will be same 2 2s are 4 and plus minus 4 2s are 8 and 8 minus 4 will be equal to minus 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now in the next step we should open this value as 2 iota because iota square is minus 1 and when we open that from the root then it will be this whole value will be equal to 2 iota over 2. Now in the next step we should take common 2 from this numerator. As a result we should get 2 into minus 1 plus minus iota over 2. This 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out and we should get the value of x, which is x is equal to minus 1 plus minus iota, and this is the value for the x. So first value is for the x is minus 1 and second is a complex value which is x is equal to minus 1 plus minus iota. So I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.